Evening, fellas. We're live at 10:12 p.m. As you can see there and there. Running a mini for Jimmy's Luke Stormtrooper. We got 10 spots. And I'm going to copy and take over to random here in just a second to find our winners. Top 2 get spots in the main on this one. Paste them in. We got 10 entries. As you can see, they're going to roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get a 5 or better to play. We did. We got a 7. So we're cooking with gas. Good luck, guys. Here we go. I need a bigger helmet. And Troy. Mark and Adam, round 2. Dave and Mark, 3. Brian and the Jedi Master, round 4. Troy and Mark, 5. Mark and Jedi Master take the next to last round, round 6, with numbers 2 and 10, bringing us to the last round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winners are CDK and Mark. Congrats, guys. Here's the verification. Make things official. TOJECL is our verification code. Again, there's our winners. Having said that, I am done at 10:13 p.m. There it is. With the time stamp one last time. There's the results. Congrats, guys. See you in the main. Thanks. Later.